The Cougars scored the first two, the Hornets scored the last two.
It's a great opportunity for the Cougars to get that momentum back on the man advantage. It still has about 30 seconds remaining.
Brandon Gaynor, the junior, 77 on the ice right now for the Cougars from Kings Park, Comac. Headman looking for Sorkin, skating in. Oh, the backhand knocked down by Packman.
What a terrific save on a shorthanded breakaway by Ben Sorkin, as Packman really working those pads tonight, denied him, and kept it a 2-2 game.
I'll tell you, powerful and strong end-to-end. That's exactly what Brian Spatfield, the coach, said of his great player in Ben Sorkin. 1 second left, power play over.
Yeah, they have just one shot on goal on that man advantage, so good job on the kill to keep it a 2-2 game, and lots of special teams are going to get a roughing call here. Let's take a look at this unbelievable break by Sorkin, who just puts on the Jets and came in alone for a shorthanded. First to pass, a great pass. He knocks it down, settles the puck, gets around the defender, in on goal, deep to the backhand, but Pac-Man sliding left, put the left pad on it. I think if he would have tried 5-hole, Carly would have had it. It was open up there for him, and had he been able to sneak a peek, he may have been able to go